Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off trigger haptic feedback and vibrations on your controller for Steam PC. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Steam, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Library to access all your installed games. This is where you can manage individual game settings and configurations. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate the specific game that's experiencing the trigger haptic feedback and vibrations you want to disable. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a new window where you can customize various settings specifically for this game. In the Properties window that appears, look at the left panel again. You'll see different tabs for managing the game's settings. Click on Controller. This section is dedicated to all controller-related configurations and is where you can adjust how Steam handles input devices for this particular game. Once you're in the controller settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Disable Steam Input. By choosing this option, you're telling Steam to stop using its own input system for this game, which includes the haptic feedback and vibration features. This effectively turns off all the trigger haptics and controller vibrations that were previously active during gameplay. After you've made this change, you'll need to restart your game for the new settings to take effect. Close the game if it's currently running and then launch it again. The controller should no longer produce any haptic feedback or vibrations while you play. And that's it. You've successfully disabled trigger haptic feedback and vibrations for your controller on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.